Hi friends, hi family. In this video, I'm just going to go over a quick visual perceptual art activity, and we're also going to be working on our cutting skills. It's a spring themed activity, so you're going to print out that umbrella in the email, as well as get 3 pieces of construction paper, glue, scissors, and a marker. Okay, so you're going to grab your first piece of paper and you're going to work with your child to try to fold it in half. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just have them fold it and use their fingers to flatten it out. And then you can, if you want, draw lines on the paper. This is going to be their visual cue that they're going to use in order to cut some lines. So now we're going to grab our pair of scissors, and parents, you may have to help guide them by either holding their hand or their forearm and just remind them to open and shut them. You could even sing a little song. It goes like open, shut them, and just guide them into cutting along the lines. Also, if you want to continue working on cutting, you can take the smaller strip of paper and draw lines that kind of look like squares. And then this is actually what you're going to use as part of your decoration for the art activity. So you just have them snip and just continue with open, shut them, open, shut them. So now you have all your pieces for the project, and if you want to, you can take a pen and you can write the colors where you want them to go. And if you want to take a crayon of the same color just to fill it in so that they can have a visual cue of where you want each construction paper to go. So for example, if you want the first one to be red, you just color it in really slightly the color red, so on and so forth. So now you're going to have the child grab the glue and use both hands to squeeze. This is going to help work on their hand strength and as well as their finger strength. And then as they pick up the small pieces of paper, try to encourage them to use their pointer as well as their thumb. This is called their pincer grasp. And pick up a small piece of paper, put it on the umbrella. Pick up a small piece of paper, put it on the umbrella, just like how it's shown in the video. Another idea is for you to take the marker and make little visual cues of dots, and then you're going to have them again take the glue, and then you're going to ask them to squeeze the glue again using both hands on the dots, and then you're going to also have them again pick up the small piece of paper, encourage them to use their pointer and their thumb and tap, 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 tap as they glue the paper onto the umbrella. This is going to help work on, again, their hand strength. It's going to help work on their fine motor skills as well as their ability to focus and listen to step-by-step directions.